Hi guys, in this video, I will be teaching you how to change font. So if you remember that previous website, it was just green and it was a simple, short, black kind of like text that said hello world. So I'm going to make it a little easier to read by changing the font color and the size and the style. So in order to do that, I need the font tag. And I also need after what I want to change, a closing font tag. So right now, nothing's going to happen because I haven't told the computer to make any changes. So I do want to make some changes. So I'm going to go inside that font tag and hit space. And the first thing I'm going to change is the size. It always defaults to size 3. Sorry. Can you please do so now? Teachers, please enter your attendance. Thank you. Thank you. So I'm going to change the size. And right now it always defaults to 3. And it only goes as high as 8. I'm going to go right to 8, the biggest font size. I'm also going to change the font color. So another space, color equals, let's put white. It'll stand out against my green background. And the next one I'm going to do is face, which is the style. Like again, Times New Roman, Courier, Comic Sans. I'm going to change it to Courier. Okay, so I've made a couple changes there. I have changed the size of the font, the color of the font, and the face of the font. And I have to remember to save Control S to make sure all of these changes are put into my website. And my website is still open in this tab behind. And again, it looks like nothing has changed because I haven't refreshed my website. And there it is. So now the font is bigger, the color has changed, and the font style has changed. So, and if you look in the tag chart, I've given you an example of what a font tag could look like. So you could just copy and paste it directly from here as well. Okay, so we learned how to use the font tag.